Hello everyone, I'm excited to announce my software project, Pi SignalBox, a new way to control your model railway using a Raspberry Pi and CBUS. Pi SignalBox runs on a Raspberry Pi, which is designed to be an easy-to-use controller for model railway enthusiasts. At its core, Pi SignalBox is a software solution that leverages the power of Python and PySide6 running on the Raspberry Pi. It interfaces with CBUS and PVLcb to manage and automate your model railway signalling and control. It seamlessly integrates with CBUS, providing robust and flexible control over your entire model railway layout. To understand where we are now, let's take a quick look back at the project's evolution. The project was initially known as Pi VLCB. This was always intended to be a temporary name for a different purpose, a software library. While developing and testing the pyvlcb library, it organically transformed into the larger application we now call Pi SignalBox. Now let's clarify the future of the original library concept. I plan to continue the development of the software library under the original name pyvlcb to serve its initial purpose. The Pi VLCB library will focus on providing a reliable way to use VLCB and CBUS protocols, specifically with the MERG CAN USB 4 interface. Pi SignalBox has a distinct path forward as the complete model railway control application. Pi SignalBox will continue its development to become a fully featured controller for model railway operations running on a Raspberry Pi. This application remains dedicated to the CBUS and VLCB protocols, ensuring broad compatibility and powerful control for modelers. Follow along for more development updates on Pi SignalBox and the Pi VLCB library. Thank you for watching and supporting the project. I look forward to seeing you on a future video.